All right, guys, I hear y'all want to grow that ass-tisticness up under there, up under that washer pile. Come on down, I got something for you. Vanna, let's give him some ass. Now, ladies, what we have here is not a hip thrust. It is a glute bridge. What's the difference in a hip thrust and a glute bridge? A lot. A bridge only hits a partial of your gluteus. If you want a hip thrust, that's how you're going to get all of your gluteus. So with this cast glute bridge, for some stallions, whether you have a long femur or a longer torso, it's only going to get up in that cuff. With this machine, the seatbelt needs to be along your pelvis. Now, I need your leg at a neutral grip. I don't need them wide and all outside. There we go, lift up. Boom, bam. Now, slowly ease yourself down. Now, of course, you're not going to get a lot of range of motion. Why? Because it's a glute bridge. It's going to get up in that cuff. It's going to get up in them hammies. So, ladies, if you got what the girls like to call a coochie booty or a loose booty, or get your ass on this glute bridge and tone it up. You dig what I'm saying? The biggest.